Hey guys!
Today we're going to teach you how to become content scheduling ninjas. Recently, I posted on my personal Facebook page a question to all business owners, and I asked them, what is your main obstacle or challenge when it comes to managing your social media? And the one thing everyone said was lack of time.
We manage not only our accounts, but also our clients' accounts. So we need to be really efficient managing our time. Otherwise, we'll just end up running around stressed.
Yes.
And one of our favorite tools that we like to use is
Hootsuite! So before we get started on showing you how we use Hootsuite, I thought it would be important to bust a myth that's out there having to do with automation tools. Some people say that Facebook does not like it when you use automation tools to schedule your posts. Well, we haven't found any data or any analytics that support that. If your posts are getting engagement, Facebook is still going to boost your post to more people in the timeline. What they do not like, though, is when you post links that take them outside of Facebook. So rather than sending them to a link to a blog post, write a mini blog right there in your Facebook post and then put way down at the bottom a link to your blog. And that seems to work really well for us. So, myth busted.
So with that myth busted, let's jump into the 4 big things we love about Hootsuite. Number 1. It is a huge time saver because you can schedule all your posts on the major social media platforms ahead of time.
Okay, so when you first log into Hootsuite, this is the screen you're going to see. And any streams that you have open or added to your Hootsuite account are going to show up here. And then you can click through to your different accounts easily in one place instead of going everywhere. So we like this. It makes it very convenient for us to have everything in one place. So to schedule a post, it's very simple. You have this bar up here at the top, and over here are all the accounts you have connected to your Hootsuite account. So we want to post to our Social Impressions Media Facebook page, so we're going to keep that one clicked. You see the little star, that's because we have it as a favorite, so there I have it clicked. And then I'm going to compose a message, and then I would put in the link to our guide, and you would add that here. I don't have the link right now. And then I would also want to attach the media, the picture. So choose the file to upload, and then that will be, I have them tagged so I can find them easily. And just like that. And then you can schedule here. So let's say I want this to go out tomorrow at 7:35 p.m. and then I will schedule, and it's that simple. So after you've scheduled your post, you can go up here into Publisher and you can see at a glance all the posts that you have scheduled. It tells you which one it's going to be posted to, the date and the time, and that gives you a really good view. If you want to see the whole week, you can pick here and you can see what's going to be posted. And if you decide you want to change the time for something, you can just move this like so. Very nice and handy to do that. And you can also see the whole month at a time as well. The second thing we love about Hootsuite is their new beta bulk scheduler. We can't wait to show you this one. Okay, so the next cool feature that I want to share is this new thing called the bulk composer. And this is really great for all of your media that is not being posted to Facebook. So if you remember, we said not to post links into your Facebook that take them elsewhere. Facebook wants everyone to stay on Facebook. So this is a great tool to use if you have a lot of posts for, like, say, Twitter, where you need a lot of posts every day. This is a really great way to do that. So I'm going to pick my Twitter account. That's the Social Gals. And then I'm going to select the file that I want. So I have one set up here already. Now you have to save it as a CSV file, and the format that you want to use is right here. So you have the date, the time, the message, and then the link that you want to go in. So you can read about formats and rules here, but this will allow you to do so many posts at once. So then you're going to review messages, and if there's any errors with any of your messages, it'll be in red appear to let you know that you need to fix something. Now, these are not showing up the images, but what it will do, it automatically shortens the link, which is nice, and it will pull the image from your post right here. Okay, they're scheduled, they're all ready to go. I don't have anything that is wrong, so I'm just going to schedule, and they're all done. So that's a great way to use the bulk message uploader.
Number 3, there's analytics and reports for all of your pages built right in.
So with our Hootsuite Analytics, we're able to look at Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Analytics. We can see how many people have clicked on links that we've posted. It's just very helpful overall looking at it, and we could see how many total likes we have, how many new likes we've had, our post engagement, and then you can see how well each of your posts have been doing. And the one thing we really like is this demographic where it tells you what the age and if they're male or female that are looking at your accounts. We can see at a glance what ages they are, and that kind of helps us with future posts and future social media strategy.
And number 4, our very favorite. Instead of having to jump around to all your social media platforms, you can see all the comments and replies to any of your posts right in one place.
So we can see who has mentioned us, and on all of our last posts, if there's been any comments, then we can answer those right here. So if you want to answer someone who said something, you can post it right in here and write your comment. Another thing is, because you have all of your accounts here, you can pull them up and also check here. Somebody mentioned us from Atomic, and so we can see right away when we've been mentioned. We can comment on it if we need to. If anyone has sent us a message, it'll be right there in our stream. We don't have to go anywhere else to manage all of the accounts.
So there you have it. Hootsuite saves us tons of time managing all of our social media clients.
And if you need help creating more engaging content, be sure to check out our free guide below in the description on 5 strategies for creating social engagement.
Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and be sure to hit the subscribe button so you know when our next show goes live.
And until next week,
Stay awesome.
We're going to show you how to become content scheduling ninjas.
Number 1 is a huge...